How to turn on ultra power saving mode on Samsung. First thing first, head over to your settings app, and from here you're going to have to go ahead and open up your device care. Tap on it. Then simply head over to the battery uses or the battery settings. And once you get here, right up top, you will find the power saving mode. You just have to go ahead and tap on the power saving mode and toggle the switch on. What it does is it will allow you to save power. And if you want, you could also customize it so you can turn off always on display, limit CPU speed to 70%, decrease brightness by 10%, turn off 5Z, and the most important one, limit app and home screen. So for maximum power saving, you will only be allowed to only select the apps, limit all of the background activity, and turn off edge panels and change it to dark theme. And this is how you can turn on the ultra power saving mode on Samsung. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.